Life's Useless and Ruthless Less by Umucunguzi Leonard. All the young and old daily participate. It's been nicknamed the living style. Its beginning is inexplicable, but its end is well known, and it ruthlessly affects all. The less becomes bad when school starts, struggling, competing for success. As education's levels increase, that feeds ones but sucks the others. Here, parents, friends, and society plays big part by motivating and sometimes forcing child to succeed. Unfortunately, all children can succeed alike. There must be firsts and lasts. Then inequality starts. The race is harshly changed in the life outside the school, where school dropper and even an educated person who hoarded tends to read. And you, with your non-monetary papers, eager to do so, that is immediately impossible. Then less is worsened. Sans money, eventually you surrender and urge achievement like yonder that it can hardly attain. Here, less is somehow soothed. Then it changes face when you get the richness. At self-actualization, the rest is no longer wars, but worst. Violence and sabotage begins. What one's aim is dignity, power, prosperity, and good reputation that arises severely less. After all, the body disappoints, where rest is no longer point. You just sit in the couch waiting to be served. Those who surrendered to you and those to whom we surrendered are no longer matter. And then you realize that the ruthless life's less we participate is just useless, since it can't add a single minute to the life's budget.